is science? The quest and application of knowledge. Now, my knowledge I would gain through a lot of different means. We will go about in details on that. But let's define what science is. All of you need to understand each of it first, and then you will realize, oh my goodness, I already know all this. I have it here. I'm just not using it. Yes, you need to start using it. Right. The quest for application of knowledge. Quest is that urge to find what exactly the problem is. Why does the problem even exist? Is there a problem, or it is just a perception? This is something what you need to inculcate, and that is exactly science. Aren't we doing this from our childhood? Just think about it. You were not even introduced to the word called science. साइंस का जब से हमें पता भी नहीं था, तब से हम ये कर रहे हैं. कैसे कर रहे हैं? जब हम छोटे थे, हम सब लोगों की बात कर रहा हूँ, छोटे थे तो we used to ask a lot of questions. I've covered this in my previous earlier webinars as well, but it's a point to be noted here, so I'm repeating it for the benefit of all. The quest for knowledge comes by questioning. Why? Why not? How? How will it happen if I change the parameters here and there? If some of you have got exposed to the chemistry lab, of course last year कुछ हुआ ही नहीं है, but chemistry lab में we start varying the quantity and the strength of the acid and the base and see how the color changes of the solution. What are we doing? We are doing a lot of observation. We are doing a lot of calculations here. So while I'm doing the chemistry experiment in my lab, I'm doing a lot of mathematics also. You may not realize, but at the background there is mathematics involved. Right? So the quest for knowledge or quest for science begins when I'm born. अभी थोड़ा remind करते हैं. When I'm born, I have the quest to know a lot of things. When we say a lot of things, वो शुरू होता है कि बच्चे बहुत questions पूछते हैं. वो questions इसलिए पूछ रहे हैं क्योंकि उनको सीखना है. And for us also it holds good that if I want to learn, if I have to learn, I need to ask questions. The art of asking questions is the fundamental skill that will help us explore STEM, which will help us expand our horizons beyond just science, technology, engineering, mathematics. So it also means, what is science? It's understanding of the natural and social world around us. There are a lot of natural things that are happening around us. You can call it general knowledge, or you can even call it science. The basic thing of how the earth rotates. Why is the angle of the earth at the axis important? Why are planets so very important in our solar system? What is the significance of earth having life and other planets not having life? I'm just giving a small example. You may expand it, extend it beyond what I'm saying. So it's basically a systematic methodology based on evidence. Hundreds and hundreds of years back, there was a theory that Earth is flat. And when one scientist, we'll call him a scientist now, when he told that the Earth is not flat, the Earth is round, people made fun of him. He was probably gone to the extent of being jailed, punished. But today we all know that not just the earth is round, but there are a lot of other objects in the solar system which are spherical. So inculcate that habit of systematic methodology for you to correlate what you know, what you don't know, bring it onto the table, mix it up, and then you can come out with your own theory. The theory may be right or wrong, It's for you to prove it, or others will prove it for you. No worries. So the basic thing is to inculcate the method, a systematic method based on evidence. Now, whenever you go and talk to anybody, they say, "Oh, is it? Proof दिखाओ." क्या proof है? ये सच है या झूठ है? कैसे prove करोगे? That is exactly one of the ways in which you are applying science. So, am I saying that we apply science in our day-to-day life, day-to-day interaction also? Yes, absolutely. We have a lot of scientific approach in what we are doing. So let's go a little forward. Let's talk about mathematics. Oh well, the science of numbers and their operations. Yes, ये तो मुझे first standard, second standard में ही पता चल जाता है. Interrelations, combinations, generalizations, and abstractions. Oh, I am playing with words. So does that mean science and mathematics is also driven by language? And in this case, it is English? Oh yes. That is where my STEAM comes in. STEAME के बाद जो A आता है वो we call it as art, but art is a lot of things and language would be part of it. Well, that doesn't mean language is not part of science. It is. Language is not part of mathematics. No, it is part of all of this. Unless and until there is no medium for us to explain and interchange our ideas, science, mathematics, technology, engineering, or even languages will not flourish. So, language is definitely a part of all of this. But let's go focus on math. So, it's talking about interrelation. Is there an interrelation between various different operations of square root and square, cube root and cube? Oh yes, one is the opposite of the other, or probably there is a relationship there. Is there a relationship between differentiation and integration? Oh yes, probably. One is the other way of differentiating and integrating. Differentiating is I diverge, integration is that I converge. I do a lot of this without even mathematics. Convergence of my thoughts. Focusing. So basically, mathematics and science is in our everyday life, but it is little structured. And what does that mean? It is also about space configuration and their structure, measurement, transformation, and generalizations. Space configurations. What does that mean? Geometry. The shapes with which we play. We see a lot of shapes around us, don't we? Some regular shapes, some irregular shapes. How is that important? Well, I'm living in a real world. I'm living in a physical world. I need to know a little bit about the natural things that are around me and the man-made things around me, which is through shapes and sizes. So there is science and there is mathematics also. Now, when I go a little deep into it, I have over 17, 18 different streams of mathematics that I can look at. How much deep I want to go depends on the interest that I have. But we'll look at it in further series. Today we will cover all of this in detail and talk a little bit about the opportunities going forward. Now, what is engineering? Okay, the study of using scientific principles to design and build new things. Oh wow. Why is science being mentioned everywhere? Science may be science hai, math may be science hai, engineering may be science hai. I'm talking about the word, English word. But yes, that is how prevalent science is all over. Engineers design, evaluate, develop, test, modify, install, inspect, and maintain a wide variety of products and systems. When we talk about all of this, that means I'm creating something new. There's a saying that engineers make the world. Yes. That's because they deploy a lot of scientific principles. And scientific principles doesn't remain only to the ones who have finished their engineering degree. Is it? No. Even people who are not engineers, who are doing a lot of work, use a lot of scientific principles. The use of tools, the use of various different vocational skills that we have. There's a lot of engineering in it, but they're not engineers, but they do develop, design and test a lot of new things. Things not necessarily only machines. Do you remember the three idiots? Define a machine? Well, engineers don't just design a machine, they design a lot of things today which will help us in improving our lives. Well, do you need an engineer for doing all this? Or rather, do you need an engineering degree to do all this? Oh, well, no. There are many non-engineers who are good at maths and science are applying all of this together and bring about inventing a new simple machine or a simple tool or a system that would help humankind. So the myth that I'm dispelling, जो मैं बता रहा हूँ, is that I don't have to be an engineering graduate to start thinking like an engineer. What do I need? I just need to know the scientific principles of applying and coming out with new things. Many of you would be thinking of developing some new game. You play a lot of games, right? Somebody has developed it and you're playing it. That's a waste of time, according to me. Why? Let me tell you. Where is it that you are using any scientific principle or scientific quest or scientific knowledge into all of that? If you get inspired by it and come out with your thinking into improvising it or developing something better or something new, then it is applying all of these things that you know and creating something new. So start thinking on those lines, start thinking through STEM. And then, what is it that we are talking about as technology? Technology is the study and transformation of techniques, tools, and machines created by humans. And when I say machines, not necessarily mechanical machines, not necessarily electronic machines, not necessarily computer machines. It could be a combination of all of this. So again, it says the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes, especially in the industry. Oh my goodness, I'm just talking about science everywhere. There is science in science, of course. There is science in mathematics. There is science in engineering, and there is science in technology. And I did mention earlier that there is science in language as well. So first and foremost thing is that I need to start focusing on the science of anything that comes across. And what is science? Let's rewind again. The quest and application of knowledge. Knowledge is what I gain through a lot of reading that I do. It is the understanding of the natural and social world around us. So there is a lot of human science also. We talk about data science these days. Data science is the in thing today, yes. But then data science is a combination of a lot of things. We will take that at a later point in time. But then again, coming back to science, pay attention to the science of anything and everything that you do.